Hey, give me a burrito, man.
Today we're going to be learning how to use Chatterpix. So Chatterpix is an app. So it's basically an app which you can make. You need to click a picture, and then you can make your picture talk. Okay. So first of all, the first step, you just need to download Chatterpix. If you've done that already, good. Then you need to click a picture, or you can go on your gallery and take a picture. You need to take a picture. When the picture is over, you don't need to record because it will not allow you to record. You need to draw a line to show where it can move. You need to put it exactly on your mouth so it can move up, close, like that. Okay. Next one, if you've done that, then you need to record. What do you want to say? Baba, raw, anything. Then when you've done that, if you wanna add some things, like if you want to add any decoration, like a sticker, a hat, anything, or like a different color background, whatever you want, you can just add that. When you're done, you can click it, then you can play and show your friends. So in the beginning, I've already shown you some examples and they were pretty funny. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. And if you want to upload it on your camera, then there's going to be a small button down. Just click that in the end, and then it will upload to camera roll, and then you can see it on your camera. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.